Hey everyone! I have been on a keto diet for almost a year now, and today I will share one of my bulk breakfast recipes. This recipe is enough for two of us for 5 days, and for the recipe you will need 3 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil, 1 yellow onion, Himalayan salt, black pepper, 5 mushrooms, 1 pound of ground pork or ground beef, dried thyme leaves, garlic powder, oregano, dried savory, and cumin. And you can find all these ingredients and the directions down in the description section as well. And of course later for your breakfast you will need a couple of eggs as well. So start by preheating the avocado or olive oil in a pan under medium heat. Add the chopped yellow onion with 2 pinches of Himalayan salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything very well. Cover with a lid and sauté the onions for about 15 minutes under medium heat. And stir the onions a couple of times to make sure they don't get burned. After 15 minutes, add the chopped mushrooms, mix well, cover and cook for another 15 minutes. And just like with the onions, make sure to stir a couple of times. Next, add the ground pork or beef and start breaking it down with a wooden spoon as you would do if you were making a chili. Then add a pinch of each herb, the dried thyme leaves, the garlic powder, the oregano, the dried savory, cumin, and a couple of pinches of salt. And if you used garlic salt and not garlic powder, do not add the extra salt at the end. And if the chunks of ground pork or ground beef are still too large, now it should be even easier to break them down to smaller pieces. Once you're done with all the ingredients, mix it well together. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 20 minutes under medium heat. During the 20 minutes, make sure to stir it every 7 to 8 minutes. After 20 minutes, crack open the lid, lower the burner to low, and simmer for 10 minutes. When you're ready to make breakfast, melt a square of butter and add 2 scrambled eggs. Then add a few spoonfuls of the mixture on the top of the eggs. Cover and cook under low heat until the eggs are completely cooked. Serve and enjoy. And if you have extra leftover, if you're not like me and you can't eat the same thing for 5 days, you can freeze it and use it at a later date. I hope you enjoyed my keto bulk breakfast recipe, and if so, please give the video the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.